Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. For wet ingredients, have 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. This ensures a smooth and quick process. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and pumpkin pie spice until well combined. In a separate medium bowl, whisk the pumpkin puree, milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. Time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. And there you have it. Delicious, fluffy pumpkin pancakes ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. They are perfect for a cozy breakfast or brunch. We hope you loved this easy recipe. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.